Today I'm going to show you how to clean this nasty carpet. This carpet has not been cleaned in I think 2 years and it's overdue for a cleaning. So today I'm going to show you how to clean it. First, we're going to take a look at how nasty this carpet is and look at the results. They are amazing. This carpet looks clean and fresh and it smells so good. The first tip that we're going to do is vacuum our room very well. We don't want to have any dust in the room before we actually clean the carpet. The carpet cleaner we are using today is the Bissell ProHeat, and I love this carpet cleaner. The recipe for the solution that I'm going to use to clean the carpet today is going to be all listed down in the description box. Measurements and the carpet cleaner and the vacuum, it's also going to be down there. I am spraying this chemical directly onto the carpet because it is very dirty and it is the first time I'm going to clean it. So I want to make sure the chemical has a minute to sit in there and do its job. So I'm spraying it all over where I see the dirtiest parts of the carpet and the one that has the more spots. Now with our setting in the deep clean, which is the middle setting of your carpet cleaner, we want to wet the carpet with our solution. This will be the first pass that I will do with the vacuum. I just want to get everything wet with the solution, and then I will come back and start doing it very slowly and cleaning it as we go. Time to refill our water. Make sure it's super hot water. And then here I'm adding my solution to the canister and taking it back and doing another pass. I decided at the last minute to add a splash of LA's Totally Awesome cleaner because I was seeing that I was having a difficult time getting all the dirt off the carpet. So I just added a splash. I am now spraying at the carpet again on the spots that's the most dirtiest. This will be the second pass that we give our carpet, and you can literally see the dirt coming off that carpet. It's so satisfying. This will be our second pass. I attached the hose to the carpet cleaner and I'm spot cleaning right now to the most difficult areas. I will spray the chemical, then I will spray the solution with the hose and then suck it up and repeat as necessary. Here is a close-up of what I'm doing right now. I already sprayed the chemical and then I sprayed the solution and I'm just going back and forth scrubbing it and sucking up all the water. This will be a pass with just water. Right now I just want to get all the chemical and the soap off the carpet, so I'm just doing it with just clean hot water to lift up all the chemicals off the carpet. This is the dirty water that came out after doing all those passes and clean water, so I'm going to do it again. So for our last pass, I added 3 to 4 ounces of fabric softener to our water, and I did this to make the carpet soft and smell really good. Now I had 2 stains that would not come off with anything. I tried the bleach alternative, and I know this one takes off ink off of clothes, so I thought, you know, maybe it's going to take the red dye off, and it wouldn't. It was a popsicle that my son brought upstairs and he spilled it on the carpet, and I have no idea how to take it off, but it did help a little bit. It just turned it pink, but it didn't completely remove it. So let's take a look our before and after. Oh my goodness, can you say it's a big change? And I am so happy with the results. I hope this video was helpful and I was able to help you and teach you a little bit how to clean a nasty carpet. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.